Thanks. Today we're going to be playing with the Hot Wheels Track Builder Unlimited. Let's open it up and see what's inside. We have our ramp, we have a bucket, we have, well, some kind of thing where you launch it and then it comes out. We have some tracks. Look at all these tracks. We have another one of these. We have some connectors. We have cars. We have some of these. This is the coolest thing. Watch what it does. Here's one car. Here's two cars. Here's the third car. Here's the fourth car. Here's the fifth car. Let's build it and play. Gonna be cool. Watch this. This is our best track yet. Go, 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 go! Go fast, go Hot Wheels. 1, 2, 3, go! Bye, I hope you had fun. Thanks for watching.